why is it that every single bar and restaurant manager that calls, and it doesn't matter how big the establishment or not, the majority of their liquor order is whatever is the cheapest rum, rye, vodka, tequila that week? Are they not brand loyal? Like some of them, don't they make deals with the Diageos and the Smirnoffs and the Molsons and the Labatts in the industry? Are they not marketing and promoting these specific branded products to their customers? Well, he enlightened me that evening, and I will enlighten you this morning. If you go to a bar or restaurant, and it doesn't matter how much you pay for a drink, let's say you order rum and Coke, $8, $18, or $28, and you just say rum and Coke, and you don't specify what type of rum you want, you get bar stock, which essentially means the cheapest rum at the liquor store that week. Well, and if you're lucky, which is probably 1 times out of 10, you'll get a rum that is made in the Caribbean with real sugarcane, with molasses, seen the sun, come a boat, come over to this country on a boat, and then got on your liquor store shelves. However, about 8, 9 times out of 10, not so much. You will get a rum that's not necessarily made in a basement, but definitely a warehouse, never really seen real sugar cane or molasses, probably made with high fructose corn syrup or something like it, and definitely not come on a boat or seen the sun. But that's how it became the cheapest in the liquor store that week. By definition, still a rum, not my definition, but somebody's definition. And so I thought, interesting. So when my brother came home from school that day, he was in grade 12, I said, Ravinder, I have a business. And he said, what? I enlightened him what I just learned. And I said, we need to start a private label liquor brand for our parents' stores. And this could be a win-win situation. Not only could they sell, promote, and market what we make for them, but it would be the everyday lowest price in the liquor store. And it would be real quality products at an everyday low price. So therefore, we can make some money along the way, and well, so could they. And they'd have the advantage of private label, which means that only they would be able to sell it. And well, their competitors won't be able to give it. He said, interesting. Yeah, let's do it. So we talked about it some more, and then I went over to the other room and I tried to sell my dad on the idea. And he said, okay, just like every other sales rep comes to me and company comes to me to try to sell their products, you need to come to me with a business plan and a proper pitch. So I spent about a week and a half trying to come up with a business plan. But I discovered during my engineering in high school, I never took, never mind, a marketing and accounting or a business course. I had no idea how to write a business plan. But most importantly, how to write the revenue model of that business plan. How was I gonna make money and then keep some at the end of the day to call this a real viable business, not just a hobby? So I enlisted my dad once again. And he definitely not only helped me, he mentored me. He helped me build that business plan, then of course pitch it to him, and become my first customer. And so he's not only been the one that supported me and guided me when we were starting, but definitely been always that voice when I need to go and when I'm having challenges. And so not only then, but now, I strongly, strongly have believed in the power of mentors and mentorship. They can be family, as it was for my dad to begin with. It can be friends, it can be colleagues, or it can just be people in the industry that you're looking to get into, to promote, or actually succeed in. I truly do believe that mentoring is a brain to pick, it's an ear to listen, and a push in the right direction when you need it.